Hello beauties and welcome back. Today I am going to be talking to you about hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is also a very important ingredient or very popular ingredient that a lot of my clients are using and that I highly recommend for your skin to add into your skincare routine. But there's certain things that you want to keep in mind or that you want to take into consideration when using hyaluronic acid. And you also want to make sure that you are getting it from a reliable source and in the right formulation or in the right size or molecule. So today hyaluronic acid comes in different sizes. So there's bigger hyaluronic acid weight and then there's smaller hyaluronic acid in weight. The bigger ones tend to sit more on the skin, so we want to be careful with those hyaluronic acids because sometimes instead of hydrating your skin, it could be causing dryness. Why would it be causing dryness? If the molecule is just sitting on your skin and it's not going into your skin, so when it goes into your skin, what hyaluronic acid does, let's start from there. Hyaluronic draws water from the environment into our skin. We already have hyaluronic acid in our skin, and when we use it in a skincare product, we're just trying to get more of that hydration from the environment. But if the hyaluronic acid molecule is too big, what it's going to do is that it's going to sit on the skin and it could potentially be drawing water from our skin instead of from the environment. It will be drawing water just from everywhere. So if it's drawing water from the environment, hopefully we are retaining it. But if it's drying out, we don't want it to be drawing water from our skin. So when could this happen? If your environment is very dry, where the moisture in your environment, there's not a lot of moisture in your environment, then it's not going to have anywhere to draw moisture from, and it's going to draw moisture from your skin. And this is when it could cause dryness. So when you are applying your hyaluronic acid, you want to make sure that you're doing it in a moist environment. The best time to apply your hyaluronic acid is going to be immediately after you shower. So when we shower, there's usually a lot of moisture in our skin, or immediately after we cleanse our skin, there's already moisture on the skin from us cleansing. But we also want to make sure that we're using it in environments that are moist. So if you live in a very dry place, this might not be an ingredient for you, and there's other ingredients that provide hydration that are not going to dry your skin. So this would be for another video, but just to give you a few examples so that you're not left up in the air about what ingredient to use. Glycerin is a good ingredient to hydrate the skin or to keep moisture in your skin. So, but if you live in a dry environment, you are probably going to want to avoid hyaluronic acid. So, talking about molecule sizes, so when you are buying a quality hyaluronic acid, it's usually going to be in smaller molecule forms. So when these molecules are smaller, they're able to go into the skin and they're able to draw the water from the environment. So this is important when you are selecting a product, for you to ask if this is a smaller molecule hyaluronic or what type of hyaluronic it is, because if your skincare provider does not know, then this is an indication that they might not be giving you the best hyaluronic that you could have for your skin. So I work with Circadia and Lyra. In their Circadia formulation, the molecules are a blend of molecules, but so you have that option where it is going to be going into the skin. So I also really love the vitamin C15 from Lyra. It also has some hyaluronic acid, and hope this video has been helpful for you to think about hyaluronic acid and certain things that you are going to want to keep into consideration, and why it is so important that you are buying your skincare from a reliable source, because this is why a lot of people buy skincare products and they're not getting the results that they want, because sometimes that product is not formulated correctly. And this is one of the reasons also why some of the department stores or like drugstore products are going to be a little more affordable, because sometimes the quality of their ingredient, there could be, it could say hyaluronic acid, but you don't know what kind of hyaluronic acid is, what weight, how it's formulated. And this is why it is important that you are getting it from a source that the person knows that it's a quality hyaluronic acid, a quality ingredient, and that it is formulated correctly for your skin. So again, I hope this has been helpful. Make sure that you are taking care of your skin today so that your future self could thank you. And make sure that you look for me on Instagram. I had my account actually disabled, and someone hacked into my account, so I lost my account and I lost a lot of my followers. If you were one of my followers, make sure that you look for me. My new Instagram ID is Bare Glow Skin. So I hope to see you there, where I share a lot of more tips on my stories and on my feed. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.